I call this segment, Dude, What Happened? Look at this. There's a bunch of crap. Whole streets just littered with nothing but crap, cigarette butts all over the place. Look, zoom in on that. Look at that. Cigarette butts. Plastic lights. Go over here. More plastic lights. Just trash everywhere. Look at this. Look. Trash everywhere. Now, let me show you the whole picture from a higher point of view. Look at that. I just zoomed in on this pile of crap I blew together with this here leaf blower. Now, pretend that this was a natural disaster or an earthquake, and there's a particular section of the city that got hit harder than all the rest. Same natural disaster happened to all the rest of this place, all around where you could see, and it's fine. But they zoom in on this stuff, on the disaster-written area. They'll zoom in. If you just zoom out a little bit more, you can see, oh, it's cleaned up around here, and it's all good. Okay, just a media tactic that I wanted to expose. Zooming in on natural disasters at the worst point and not giving you the whole picture. That's the power of the mass media. Thank you. And I will be talking to you again.